Hi, my name is Sayla and I'm a marketing major going into the marketing field. So in this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to work with horizontal tables in Excel using various functions. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and the SUMIF function, and how to apply a custom horizontal sort. So let's jump right in. First, in part A, we're going to use the HLOOKUP function to find the city associated with the specific code. So the code we're going to use today is 30009. Now let's use the HLOOKUP function to search for the city that corresponds with the zip code. So we're going to use the HLOOKUP function. All right, and so now we're going to be able to build. Now we're going to build our function. So for this, I actually like to use the function builder. So first thing we're going to do is the lookup value, which is the zip code that we use. All right, and then for the row index number, we're just going to do with row index number. So this is basically telling Excel to look in what row to find our results. So we're looking in the second row because we count from 0, 0, 1, 2. So this is city, so it's going to be 2. And the range lookup is false because we want to indicate an exact match. So meaning HLOOKUP will only return a value if it finds an exact match for that zip code. So we're going to do false, if I can spell false. Okay. All right, and then we're going to press done. And of course, we got alpha ready here. Now it's time to do the XLOOKUP function to find the county. So the first thing we're going to do is find the county for the zip code in cell B3. So we're going to do B3, and then you're going to do the range where Excel will search for the zip code in the table. So to find the county, we're going to do county by zip code. So first we're going to highlight our zip code. And of course, I remember the numbers. So this is going to be C11 all the way to CZ11. So colon CZ11. Awesome, which is our counties. So for our counties, we get to see this is C11. So of course the row above it is going to be C10. So C10. And of this, of course, is CZ10. So this is it, and this is all we're going to do for this function. So we're going to press done, and now we have Fulton County here. Now, next part, we need to do the calculate the total income reported for the county. In cell B5. So we're going to be using the SUMIF function, and this calculates the SUMIF function. This is the range that SUMIF will check to find our criteria, which is the county. So the first thing you want to click is the county. And so for me, what is easier, so it is okay to drag, but also to make it easier on yourself, you could just press this whole entire row, and it actually will highlight every single thing for you. And so you can actually find the income tax based on the county, and it could just be very easy for you. And so then you want to find the criteria, and of course the criteria that we're trying to match together with the county name is going to be Fulton County, which is B5. Doing another comma, and then now we're going to go to income, and we're going to also highlight the row 15 as well. And then this is what your function will look like, and you find all of that. This is now the answer that you got for the county corresponding together with the income. Just to check that everything is corresponding together in which way it's supposed to, we're actually going to type in another zip code. So instead of 30009, we're going to do 30096. And ultimately, we get to see this is Duluth, Gwinnett County, and then the income is going to be this number right here. So finally, in part D, we're going to demonstrate a horizontal sort based on the county row. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to highlight our table to be able to click this, to be able to find out this and how to sort. You want to highlight your whole table. Of course, mine ends at CZ. Awesome. And then we're going to go to the data filter, which I am already at, and then the sort filter. So this is what you're looking at when you press sort. First thing I'm going to do is going to do the row because the row is ultimately, we're trying to sort based on the county as well. So of course, we're going to look at the row that says county. As you can see, let me move this so you can see a little bit better. The row based on county is the row 10 right here. So you're going to change this to row 10 and actually press Z to A to be able to find out this information. And so the bigger counties will be in the front and then the smaller counties will be in the back. So now you know how to use HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and the sum if functions with horizontal tables and how to apply custom sort. So these functions, why did the Excel function go to therapy? It needed to look up its issues. Get it? Look up its issues. Okay. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you a lot and really tackle your own data projects with confidence.